Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Student, this is a question from exercise 5B, question number 3, part 2. In this question, it is said that if S is equal to 4 pi r square, find the positive value of r when value of S is equal to 616. Here we have to take value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. Now students, the expression given is S is equal to 4 pi r square. Here we have to put values of the variables, that is r square, and also the value of pi, and also value of S, that is given 616. So after putting the values of pi and S, we move, you know that here 4 is in multiplication with 22 upon 7 and r square. When we move this 4 to other side of the equal, it will divide 616. So here we simplify this 616 over 4 by reading table of 4 up to 616. 1 is the 4 and 154 4 is the 616. You can read table of 4 or you can multiply 154 by 4, it will become 616. So what will remain here? It will remain, the answer is 154 after dividing 616 by 4. Now the next is, as we have to find value of r, then we move all the numbers and anything that is at the side of variable, we move to other side of the equal. Here we move this 22 upon 7 to this side. Here it is in multiplication with r. When we move this to other side of the equal, it will divide 154. So here 154 is divided by 22 upon 7 and it is equal to r square. Students know that when we divide any fractional number, it will be converted, the sign will be converted to multiplication, and this fractional number will be inversed or reciprocal. So 154 divided by 22 upon 7 will be converted into multiplication. It will be 154 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So here we read table of 22 up to 154. It will be 7 times. So 22 1 is the 22 and 22 7 is the 154. That means if we multiply 22 by 7, it will become 154. So the remaining will be 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to r square. Students, you know that when same number is multiplied, we read it as squared. That means 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 squared. So we read it or write it as 7 square is equal to r square. Here we have to remove the square by taking square root at both sides. So we take square root at both sides. It is square root of 7 square, then it is equal to square root of r square. These square root and r will be cancelled with each other. So what will be remaining? The remaining is 7 is equal to r, or we can write or say as r is equal to 7. The value of r is 7. This is also a positive value that was asked